Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm just gonna put a mask on to see if it brightens my face. I usually just put a whole bunch of shit on my face and then it turns out pretty good. So yeah, so today I'm gonna do like a brightening mask, so we'll see how that turns out. So first I'm putting some gram flour and then I'll be adding some rice flour into it. Which I'm really just eyeballing, to be honest, so it's perfectly your preference. And then I'll be adding some turmeric powder and then honey. I did add a little bit too much honey, so please be careful. It really doesn't matter. Honey is good for your skin. And then I'll be adding yogurt. And at first it did look like I had to put more yogurt, but as I was stirring, it was the perfect consistency. So please, don't be afraid to just stir and wait and figure it out, or put some more if you need to. It's basically just your preference. And I did put some little bit on my hand just to see if I really liked it. So as you can see, it's not that pasty or it's not that watery either. So it's a little bit tacky, and it's been about like 25 minutes, so I'm just gonna go wash my face now, and I will be right back. So yeah, we shall see if this did do the work or if it didn't. So yeah, so I must say this did brighten up my face, but I do say that please keep in mind that if you're using like a white towel or something, the turmeric will get on it. So what I usually do is I just use a paper towel and I just throw it away. So yeah, I'm so happy that this turned out really good. And if you do like it, then please subscribe and comment down below. And follow me on Instagram at Stardust Flames. And yeah, see you guys.